Alright, today I'll show you this negative ion air purifier that I have. It's a new model, so I'm gonna do an unboxing and also a demonstration for this. So this is the box, and I'm gonna open it up. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. You get a user manual. Okay. So actually this is another model, and this is a new model that we are talking about now. Alright. So warranty cards. Alright. This is a weight. Some kind of weight plates. Okay. Wow, okay, interesting. So this is like a bracelet kind of thing if you're gonna wear it. Oh, interesting. This needs to be two. Okay, right to it. So it's a kind of stand or holder kind of thing. Interesting. Reminds me a bit of the accessories for, studio equipment. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna set it one side. Test pen. So the plug. No, this one does not come with the units, but if you get this from me, I can supply with the appropriate adapter. But okay, it's a new plug. Batteries for the remote itself. Alright, then I'm gonna move on to showing you the units, the main unit. Alright, fuse. I wonder if it's actual mode. Interesting. Well, it looks like a bone mount. Interesting. I wonder if it's like wood or 3D printed or. See, it's like when you turn it on, don't touch it. Alright. Interesting. Okay. Right. I think there's nothing else in the box. Okay. I'm gonna begin assembling the units. Alright, so first off, I need to figure out how to connect this to this. I wonder. Oh, okay. Should just turn it on it. Alright, so that's it. It's now secure. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the units on top. There's a mounting here. I wonder if I need to remove this. Okay, let's try without removing it, see what happens, see if it works that way. Okay, so there's a screw. I'm gonna unscrew this. Let's give it a try. Okay, alright. Okay, let's put it in. Does it go all the way in? Seems fine. Let me try without this, because usually in studio equipment we take this out, but okay, let's give it a try. I wonder if the same. Alright, see if this is without, and let's say if with, what happens? Well, before that, I feel that I should. Anyway, I'll try this first. Okay, this is width, and it's the same. So, I'm going to take this out. So I feel that I should show you the outer look of this. So, this here. There's the back with all the controls and instructions. Alright. You can plug two bands on it. Interesting. Alright. Alright. This is the front. So they say that you shouldn't put your hand here. Okay. Alright. So there you go. Now all that's left is to plug it in and show you how it looks like. Alright. So I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, so now I'm gonna plug it in using the plug that they gave, and also the adapter, which I will supply if you guys buy this from me. You can let me know the voltage you need, the plug you need, then we can work things out. So alright, so there's a plug, and it's gonna need it to be inserted into here. Yeah. So insert it here. I'm gonna angle it to show you how it looks like. Alright, so adapter. I'm gonna plug in now and turn on. Alright. Alright. Bit of a zoom. You can hear the sound. Alright. I'm gonna show you how it looks like from the front. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the front. Interesting. Alright. Ooh. When I put my hand close to it, I can really like hear a sound. So I think it's a more efficient machine than the other model. So interesting. Let me see if it's shown on the test pen. Oh, just by putting it near, I don't even need to touch it. It's already like showing a light. So yeah, it's legit. Okay. Alright. So there you go. There goes the demonstration for these units. Alright. So what I noticed is that when I want to tune the machine, the device, by turning it doesn't do much. but if I press it, then that's how I change the mode. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, there's no 9, there's only 0. So that's how you tune the device. Interesting. This is an advanced negative ion generator that I have. So yeah, can't wait to try. So if you'd like to buy this, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much everyone for joining by, and see you guys next time. Jesus loves you and he heals. Bye, God bless. See you.